So I visited the ProCook store in Doncaster for the Black Friday sales this year. I found the most amazing bargains which I can't wait to share with you all. And I also made a chicken Jalfrezi using the new things I bought. So first up we have this ProCook enamel roasting tin. It's the perfect size for some roast potatoes and some vegetables. So this tin is ceramic, it's safe to use in the dishwasher, it's safe to use on the hob, it's also oven safe. The best thing about ProCook products is most of the products have a 25-year guarantee. Apparently I can just put it onto the gas hob and saute some onions in there or make a curry apparently, so I'm going to try that later on in this video. I also got the larger size. This is perfect for like a roast dinner. I can make some lamb in there, I can make some chicken in there. I'm very excited to try this out around Christmas time. So these tins were on offer, they were 4 for £45, but I decided to just get 2. So this one was around £12.50 and this one was around £13.50. The original prices were about £35 for this one and it were around £25 for this one. Next up we've got the cutest little pots for my spices. These were 50p each. I can't wait to use these in the video later. And I also got a garlic crusher, a mini whisk and another garlic crusher. And now for the star of the show, my most favourite buy. So I have got a ProCook professional granite pan. It's a sauté pan, it's 28 centimetres, it carries 4.3 litres of liquid. So I have bought a granite pan from ProCook before and I absolutely love it. I've had it for 5 years and it's not got a single scratch on it. I use it almost every day. I'm just going to get this open. Personally, I wanted a little bit bigger, but this is the biggest size they do, 28 centimetres. So we've got a glass lid. So this is what it looks like. So here we have the sauté pan and lid. We've got a self-basting lid with toughened glass. So we've got cool touch handles. Even though it's metal, it does not get boiling hot. So we have a forged aluminium body for even heat distribution, which is really good for cooking large amounts of chicken, for example. So we've got a modern granite finish. Like I said, granite is my favourite material in pans. So we have a ceramic eco non-stick coating on this pan as well. So even if you burn something, I don't think it's going to stick to the bottom, but we'll put that to a test later on today. So we have advanced industry technology. I have no idea what that means, but it sounds good. We have exceptional food release. Again, no idea what that means, but it sounds good. Superior scratch resistance. I think that means it's anti-scratch. So it looks like this is not dishwasher safe. You have to wash it by hand. So it looks like you can use it in a gas oven, electric oven. You can use it on the gas hob, and also it's oven safe. We've got a 25-year guarantee on this, just like every ProCook item. So I'm going to make some chicken Jalfrezi today and some rice. So these are all the ingredients I'm using today. I'm going to put them in the description below for you to see later. So I'm just going to start chopping up some parsley. Next up, I'm chopping up some green chillies. I'm also using this to garnish. And I think just one more is going to be enough. Next up, I'm just going to cut some coriander up for garnish. I absolutely hate using the stem, but my mum said all of the flavour is in the stem. I'm just going to cut up some ginger. Apparently you're meant to scrape off the skin of the ginger because all of the flavour is just right underneath it, but I've not got time for that, so I'm just going to cut it. Yeah, I know I've wasted lots of ginger there. Now to put into practice some of the tools I bought. So I think that is just about enough for the ginger.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to use my other tool.
Wow, what's this?
It is a garlic crusher.
Where's the garlic?
So just put some garlic in there and then crush them. So as you can see, we've got really fine garlic.
I'm doing purple.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why do it? Please.
So that pops out, and then you can just grab the garlic from in there and then wash that separately.
Yeah. I'm gonna cut it.
Why?
Cause please. I'm gonna cut it. I like it.
You can't cut it, it's too sharp.
Cause please. This, what's this?
That is chili.
I'm gonna eat chili.
Can't eat chili
Why?
because it's too spicy.
What? No, that's green. What's color is it? This is blue.
Blue what? Blue chilies?
Yeah.
We don't have blue chili, silly.
Cause what with the blue chili?
Okay.
Yeah.
Papa get it for you.
You got it in the purple.
So I've just cut up some peppers and some onions.
Please.
No.
Please. What's this purple? Purple.
Yes, sweetheart.
What's this?
It's chicken.
Why it's so soft?
Touch it then.
What's bacon?
What is it?
Chicken.
Chicken. Why are you touching it?
Cause it's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah.
You can't play with it. Papa needs to make it.
Cause bacon hole for me.
Break half for you?
Yeah.
No.
Cause please.
Cause no.
Cause please.
Cause no.
Please.
Okay. Oh, no. Watch your fingers. Papa's gonna end up cutting into you.
I want this. I have these.
I'm going to cut the chicken into large chunks. Isra, don't put that in your mouth.
I'm not.
Are you sure?
Yeah, look. No.
So I'm just going to marinate the chicken. Here I've got some garam masala, some paprika, some salt, and some turmeric.
I like turmeric.
You don't like turmeric.
Why? It's bad.
It's not bad, but I just don't think you like it.
Mommy, chocolate did it. Mommy, chocolate did it. What are you mixing?
I'm mixing chicken
Why?
because I'm making it for you.
No, for Bima.
For Berima?
Yeah. I'm gonna mix this
You're
in
gonna
my
mix-
hand.
Yeah, but you got no gloves.
So please.
Come on then.
Yeah. Look.
Clever girl.
It's all done.
It's all done. Okay, let's wash hands.
At this color.
So it's finally time to use my sauté pan.
I'm gonna do it.
Wait. So the first thing I'm going to do is use some pure butter ghee and put a tablespoon of that in there. So I'm just going to add some onions to that.
No, I'm gonna use onions.
Don't use onions. Why?
Cause it's not. I'm gonna do this.
So I'm now going to go ahead and add some garlic, some ginger.
Yeah.
I didn't mean to get that chilli in there, but I don't mind if it stays in.
Chili.
And seeing as I've put the smallest amount of ghee in there, I'm going to add a splash of water to help this cook. I'm now going to add the tomato. At this point, I'm going to add some curry powder, some salt to taste, some red chili powder, some coriander, some pepper,
Papa.
and some garam masala. I'm going to give that a really good mix.
Onions.
Add a splash of water. So I'm going to saute that with the lid on for 15 minutes. I'm going to stir that regular. Got like an oven glove I can use to move the tin around and to hold it while I'm stirring it. So here I've got some ghee. So I'm just going to add my chicken into there. So as you can see, I can turn that tin around as often as I like. So at this point, I'm going to pop in my peppers and onion.
No. Just kill it. Let me coffee. Ew.
So as you can see, nothing stuck to the bottom of the roasting tin. So I'm just going to add 4 whisked eggs. So I'm going to let that simmer for 15 minutes on a low heat, and then I'm going to serve it with some rice.